Okay, so here we are where we left off. So let's do a file save as. And let's go into our documents. Let's go into the appropriate folder, Graphic Design 350. We'll create a new folder and we'll do greeting card. Create that folder. Then I'll just name this greeting card, no spaces, underscore. Let's put the size of it 5.5 by 8.5 folded, something like that. So it's super self-explanatory as to it's 5.5 inches wide by 8.5, and then it'll be folded. So let's save that file inside of that folder. And then next we'll kind of begin gathering images. So this is going to be a holiday card. So I'm going to go to pexels.com. So I've gone to pexels.com and I'm just going to look around and see what I can find in here. That I think is going to look good with my design. And I'll start recording once I find something. Unsplash is also a good place to go, unsplash.com, besides the pexels.com. If you want to download anything, you just push this little button and it'll download into your downloads folder. So I just wanted to tell you guys about Pexels and then Unsplash. So I'm just going to download that by pushing this little download button, and it came into my downloads. Pexels is a little bit different in that you, if you find an image you like, you can you click on it, and then you can choose which size you want to download. And with these, since it's a printed piece, I just went ahead and went with original size from Pexels. Okay, so now that I've found some images that I think I'm going to use, I can kind of go into my downloads, open this up, and here are, I have it in the list mode, and I have it by date modified, so that kind of helps me find my images quickly, so I can open up my downloads, and then I can go into my documents if I need file new Finder window to open this window up. And then we'll go into Graphic Design 350, that greeting card folder, and then we'll make another folder, file new folder, and images. There we go. And we will just click and drag these over into our images folder. Oops, and that did not work, but I can make it work. But if I try again here, there we go. So close out of that, and I also have an extra one that I'm going to be bringing in. So here's all of our images. If I put it on column, I believe is the name of this, I can actually go through and see what I've found. Okay, yeah, I think that's looking good. We will just continue on our merry way.